Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the circulation module of the eGranthalaya 4.0. You are just looking the website of the eGranthalaya 4.0. Here I am trying to log in. This captcha I am going to enter. Username and password is already saved here. After that, this login. Now we have already entered into the eGranthalaya 4.0. Here you are looking all the modules of the eGranthalaya: library administrator, master data, book acquisition, cataloging, circulation, serials, micro documents, library budget, search and reports. These are the modules of the eGranthalaya 4.0. We will discuss in various videos about each and every module. Today I am going to show you the main work of the library, that is the issue return work. Here we will discuss about the circulation. I'm just clicking on the circulation module. Here, member management. First of all, member management. Here we have to put the category, subcategory, and after that, member registration work. First option in manage memberships is member categories. What is the category of the member here? It's mandatory. Here I have to write. Hence I am putting here for our Vidyalaya PGT. Since my user is a PGT chemistry, I am using here the PGT. In remarks, I am just typing full form of the caps lock. Okay, you are looking here. Category name PGT. Remarks, I have given the full form of the PGT. It is not mandatory, but category name is mandatory. After that, I will save this one. It has been saved. This member category already exists. Okay. Now here I am taking here, since PGT is already available, here I am taking PGT. Any marks? And now I am saving this one. Record added successfully. That means I have already added the category of the user. Category is PGT. After adding the member category, we will shift to the member subcategories. Here we have arrived into the member subcategory. Since teacher is a TGT science, here I will simply add science in subcategory. Remarks if you want, right here. Fine system. If you want to impose fine, you may use this one. Here I am just taking no fine. and after that for books and others material. Here you have to type the entitlement. How many books you want to issue at a time to that user. Here I am taking as 10, due date I am taking 15 days. Similarly, you may fill up according to your need, according to the types of documents available in your library. Books, first one is mandatory. I have just putting mandatory because it's a demolition. And after that, save. It has been saved successfully. Record added successfully. After adding the member categories and member subcategories, we will shift to the actual work, that is the member registration. We all know that cataloging has been already completed. Hence, document details is already available in our software. Here, I am going to register the member, that is the user's details. Member types, it's mandatory. You have to choose. See the options: organizational members, interlibrary loan members, or other institutions, and guests. Here I am taking in organizational members. Since she is a teacher of my Vidyalaya. For member number, I am suggesting for students, please choose their admission number or HR number. It's for just uniqueness. Member number must be unique. Hence, always choose that number or collect that number from the user which is unique for them and memorable for the user. It may be provided upon in a barcode form on the member card, library issue return card, or school ID card, anywhere. Here I am putting the employee code number of the user. Male or female, I am changing it to female. Here I am putting the name maybe here I am taking my librarian friend Shalini Trivedi's name, using Shalini Trivedi name, and all the details you may furnish here. Hence it's a demo lesson, hence I am not going to take much time. I am just filling the mandatory fields. But you should fill every information of the user which is provided in this form. After filling all data fields, it will be very helpful. If you are putting all data fields, it will be very helpful for you in future course, because once anyone is not returning the book, anyone has left the Vidyalaya without taking the notice from the library, in that case you may provide him or her the reminder in form of email, or you may call him or her. Hence take the phone number, email, others all. Here category is mandatory. I am choosing category. I have already put. Saved previously. Hence it is TGT. And now it stands. Admission date is mandatory. Today. Closing date 1 year I am taking. And you may put here member photo also. If you have to prepare the library card for each and every user, you must put the member photograph also. Passport size photographs colored here. I am not going to put here because it's a demo. Now I am going to save this one. It has been saved. Member record added successfully. Now I have completed the member registration work. After member registration work, 3 steps here. First you have to put the category, second you have to put the subcategory, and after that you have to register the member. After completion of this work, now member is eligible from your side to issue return the box. Here I am just going to show you one demonstration of issue return. we have arrived into the issue return mode. Since we have already used the eGranthalaya 3.0, hence comparison is quite naturally. In EG 3.0, these menus, sub-menus, issue, reserve, or return, renew, or interlibrary loan request, all these were available, but in the different, on the different windows, not in a single window. And here we are getting all these three in a single window. This is the special feature of the eGranthalaya 4.0. Here I am going to put the member number. Member number must be memorized by the user, or it may be available on in his diary, her diary, or on the library card in form of barcode anyway. We have to get that number either by scanning through this ledger reader, barcode reader, or simply by typing. Here I am typing. After typing, provide a enter. Now user details is available Salni Trivedi TZT Sans, and for issue the accession number of the book here either by scanning through the barcode reader or simply by typing. Here I am typing, and after that click on this issue. One fault I have made, member closing date will be expired before due date. Please increase the member closing date. Hence I am going and increasing the member closing date. During registration I have made this mistake. I will edit the member record. I am searching here the TGT Science, and after that I will edit the record. After putting the category and subcategory, I am going to click on search. For editing the member record, I am going here because closing date I have not provided in proper way. Yes. This one, and here I will click on edit. Here is the total record. Yeah, this one is the fault. I am putting here 21 1 year, and now I will update this one. Closing date must be more than the admission date. I had made this mistake, hence it was not issuing. Record updated successfully. And now I will go to the issue return in circulation module, this sub menu. here. Now I'm putting the member. Number is mandatory 1073, and after that enter, click on enter. Here I have got the total details of the user. Now I am going to put the accession number of the book, either by scanning through barcode reader or by simply typing. Here I have already typed. And now we have to issue, hence I am going to click on issue. Item number 538 issued successfully. You have already seen how we issue a book to an user. In case of new user, you will register him or her first of all, and after that issue return. In case of existing user or previous user, you go directly into the issue return and do this job. After here we are getting the details of the book, all issue date, due date, status, book and other things. If I want to return this book after certain period user is providing after reading and want to return, we will go into the return and renew. Single window system of EZ4. Here. Now we will scan the barcode of the book or simply type the accession number. 538 was accession number. I am going to return this one. After typing 538, I have click on enter. I have press enter, and now I am going to return this one. Here I am clicking on return. The book will be returned. And thus this book will be returned. See here, item number 538 returned successfully. Thanks friends. Today I have discussed about the circulation video, that is how to register an user and how to issue and return the books to any user. In future videos I will discuss about the various special features of the eGranthalaya 4.0. Very thank you to each and everyone who has already seen this video.